So we pressurize the system just a little bit, just enough to see if we can see any leaks. So we'll take you underneath and show you what we found. Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair. Today, we're back here with this 2003 Chevy Silverado 1500. So, a while back, we had this vehicle for a brake change, and it had a pretty bad coolant leak. So today, we're here because the customer complains that he's leaking coolant. So today, we're gonna go ahead and diagnose the coolant leak. So it was a pretty bad coolant, so I'm expecting to find something really bad under there. But if we can't visually inspect it and find the leak, we're gonna go ahead and pressurize their system with some distilled water and hopefully find the leak that way. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so we weren't seeing no obvious visual signs of a leak, so we went ahead and hooked up our pressure tester here. So we pressurized the system just a little bit, just enough to see if we can see any leaks. So we'll take you underneath and show you what we found. All right, guys, so we're underneath the vehicle, and I don't know if you could see, but we have our distilled water leaking out, and it looks like it's coming from the water pump. I don't know if you guys can see that. Maybe like that. So if you can see, there's the radiator hose attached to the housing. It's the water pump. So we're just going to do a little bit more visual inspection, make sure that's the only leak, as well as make sure that is the leak. So we'll bring you guys back and show you what we find. Okay, guys, I don't know if you can see that dripping off right there. See it coming right there. Bam. That there's the water pump. So I'm pretty confident that's where it's leaking from. You see the drops coming from there. But you always want to start up high. Obviously, gravity's pulling that distilled water down, so you want to go as high as you possibly can to see the leak. And I'll take you guys up to the top to look down to the bottom. So here's your water pump down here. And it's leaking on that back bottom side. Here's your radiator hose, your thermostat housing. Camera won't focus in there for you guys, sorry about that, but you guys get the idea. See it about right there. Focus. Focus. Reminds me of American Wedding, when the old grandma was like, focus, focus. Some of you guys have seen that movie. Come on now. Classic. So yeah, guys. Alright, guys. So we checked in here with the radiator. And we see no leaks. All right, guys, and there you have it. So we're gonna go ahead and call this a water pump leak. So the next step would be to repair that, put a new water pump, new seal on it, and then repressurize the system and make sure the pressure holds. And then there you go. Always remember, when you're doing diagnostics like this, you always want to check for multiple leaks. Just because you find one leak doesn't mean there can't be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So we went ahead and checked for more leaks. Can't find any at the moment, so I'm pretty confident that it's a water pump. So we're gonna go ahead and advise the customer, and hopefully we could sell this job. So if we can, I'll bring you guys back to show you how to replace the water pump. So I hope you liked this quick little video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And please, guys, subscribe to my channel. Continue this journey with me with DIY projects and auto repairs. So until next time, guys, have a good one.